Welcome to the world of nature's most colorful snakes. This is the green tree python. It spends most of its life resting on tree branches in the rainforest. Rainbow boa. Meet the rainbow boa. Its scales reflect light, creating stunning rainbow colors. Blue coral snake. This is the blue coral snake, beautiful but highly venomous and dangerous. Golden tree snake. The golden tree snake is bright and agile. It can even glide from one tree to another. This colorful snake is the red-sided garter snake. Its bright stripes make it stand out in nature. Here is the honduran milk snake. Its bold color warns predators to stay away. Emerald tree boa. The emerald tree boa is a master of camouflage. It blends perfectly with the green forest. Nature is full of amazing colors and creatures. Which snake did you like the most?